Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently filming on my new camera. I got a Canon 80D, which is a DSLR camera. It is very big and a lot different from the camera that I was using. I'm stuttering again. Anyway, I'm gonna try my best not to look at the viewfinder, but today we are doing a thrift haul. I actually literally just got back from Goodwill. I was there for like 2 hours. I didn't get an excessive amount of things, but that was like the most amount of time that I've spent at a thrift store ever, because I do get really bad allergies, so if I'm like sniffling or if I'm coughing throughout this video, I'm so sorry. I just got back, like I just said. But I found some really good things and I wanted to show it to you guys. Look at this huge bag. I actually got a couple things for Mateo as well. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. This is my first thrift haul. I'm so excited. So the first thing that I got is this men's long sleeve shirt. I was watching this girl's thrift haul and she got a shirt very similar to this, like with the buttons and the stripes and everything, and she actually cropped it and it looks so cute on her. And this is just the brand Arizona, which I think this is from like Target or something. And this is a size large, but it was actually like perfect on me, so that was kind of weird. Maybe this is a women's. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll probably crop it. I would try it on right now, but I haven't washed any of these things. But maybe I'll do a lookbook on how I would style these things. If you guys want me to do that, let me know. Next thing that I got are these pants. These are actually Dickies. I'm pretty sure Dickies are like work pants, but I tried these on. They have like a flared out bottom, which I don't like, but I tried them on at Goodwill and they make my butt look so good that I was like, I'll probably just like cut them or something. I don't know, but I couldn't leave them because they made my butt look good. I also got these pants. I'm so excited about these. A little disappointed though because they are a little tiny bit too big on me. They're Tommy Hilfiger boyfriend jeans and I just cuffed them up at the bottom. So I tried them on. They are, like I said, a little bit too big. I don't know if I'll try like using a belt or cutting them into shorts or something. They are really good long, but they don't look good on me because my legs are so skinny. So I don't know if I'll keep them or maybe I'll sell them. If you guys are interested, let me know. They were just such a good find that I couldn't leave them. So I don't know what I'll do, but this is what they look like. They have the little Tommy Hilfiger logo right here. Moving on, I got these Adidas shorts. They look so cute on, but they're actually missing the drawstring. So maybe I'll add my own right there, but they're really cute regardless. Yeah, pretty simple. I got this super oversized Tommy Hilfiger sweater. It's an extra large, but I figured that it would just look really good on its own with like no pants, like as a dress, or with leggings if it's colder outside or something. I don't know, but I also tried this. I tried everything on at the store because I don't like leaving with things and then coming home and it not fit. Even though it is dirty, like I felt so dirty trying this on, but let's not talk about it. But yeah, I tried it on and it's really cute. This is actually gonna be a much shorter video than I thought it would be, but I just had to show you guys because you guys are my friends. I got this shirt. It's actually cropped. It came just like this and it says Chile Nature's Hideout. I'm not sure what that is like at all, but it has the little logo right here too and inside, and it's just so cute. And on the sleeve as well it says Chile Tees. So I'm not too sure what this is, but it reminded me of those like crop tops that you see at Urban Outfitters for like $29.99 and they're like really worn out and don't last at all. You can just get yourself some of these at Goodwill. I gotta sneeze. Okay, I think we're good. Oh my god. Woo. Well, baby. I got this Under Armour shirt. It's an extra large, but it wasn't like that oversized on me. I feel like when you go thrift shopping, you can't pay attention to sizes because most of the time, they're not even really what it says they are. I don't know. It's really confusing. Anyway, it has the Under Armour logo right there, and it looks a lot lighter on camera because I think my exposure is like way up. That's more the color of it. Yeah, it's super cute. I got this Reebok t-shirt. Pretty simple. I think I'll crop this one just because I don't think I would wear it like this. It looks kind of boring, but I think it would look cute cropped. I love crop tops. It's my thing. The last two things that I got are for Mateo. I got him two shirts. I love this one. This is like an old school type of shirt. It says Oshkosh Farms and it's a 2T, which if you don't know, it's like for 2-year-olds. He's 1.5, but he tends to be smaller like in size just because he's a small baby. But this looks so tiny that I don't even know if it'll fit him right now. But the drawing on it is just too cute. I couldn't leave it. And last thing that I got for Mateo. Oh, this is kind of dirty. I didn't even realize. Hopefully this will come off, but it's this Spider-Man, like a skull type of Spider-Man striped shirt, and this is actually from H&M, and I thought it was just adorable, so I got it, obviously. And that's pretty much it. That's all I got, so I know this is gonna be a really short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. Again, if you want me to do a lookbook styling these, let me know. I'll even include Mateo's clothes. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys!